Take a ride in the 2013 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, mid-series exterior upgrade package, including chrome grille, perimeter alarm, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, leather shift knob. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Your new ride is just a phone call away.